Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute burger. I'm starting by drawing this curve shape and I'm joining both sides together with another curve. I'm using some wave-like shapes to add the lettuce and then some semicircles to show the tomatoes, and then I'm going to do a kind of curved rectangle underneath for the burger and kind of a similar shape to that but a little bit bigger underneath for the other burger bun. I'm adding the ground and two big circles for the eyes. And in each of these circles I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. I'm adding a smile and eyebrows and some oval shapes on the head for the sesame seeds. I've got a black fine liner and I'm outlining the eye over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then I'm going to use a Sharpie to colour in the eye, leaving the two circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the pencil lines that you've drawn, and then use a rubber to rub out all the pencil lines that are left from underneath. I've got a light brown pro marker and I'm colouring in the burger bun. A green to colour in the lettuce, a red to colour in the tomatoes and a darker brown to colour in the actual burger. Using grey to colour in the floor and a yellow to colour in the sesame seeds. I'm using a dark brown to shade the left side of the burger. Green to shade in the lettuce and a maroon colour to shade in the tomatoes. actual meat. Then using a white pen, I'm adding highlights to the right side, so they're just little lines. Just add some highlights on the opposite side that you shaded. Here's the finished burger. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!